Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again today, and I am going over the Kato Centram that I just received from eBay, and I've been building up, got a decent little collection of trams going on now. So the Centram is the latest edition. Here's I got it brand new for $80, which is pretty nuts. I don't think the seller knew what they had. These go for, they were fairly plentiful. I've been looking at them for about a year, and you could find at least a dozen of them at a time between North American and Japanese sellers on eBay. But just recently, they've really dried up. The only other example I can find on eBay right now is going for $175 used. So I got this one for 80, brand new. Here's the case. And I'm going to just run it here for a minute, and we will get into some comparisons between the red tram. So let's get it going. It's geared even lower than the red tram. Here, I'll show you full throttle. That is full throttle. You can definitely hear that little cordless motor humming away in there. Really smooth, has nice interior lighting, and it has directional front and rear headlights, which I will show you in a minute. See the red tail light there? So if I bring it to a stop, reverse the direction, now you get the lights literally reversed on both ends. Really elegant, very detailed, smooth little runner. So I'm going to pull it up to the red tram here. Yeah, I'm trying to line these up. Let's back it up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so the length on these, they're just about the same length. The red tram has double articulation. The Centram has single articulation in the middle there. And the Pantos are a little different between the two. The one on the Centram has a more fragile looking design, but it's because there's probably a prototypical difference in the actual Panto itself. So I will run both of these at full throttle just to show you the speed difference between the two. Which way do I want to go here? Okay, we'll go that way and that one. Back it up. So I'll get the red one going full throttle. And there we go. So you can tell the Centram, there's nothing wrong with it. You can hear that motor in there just screaming. It's just definitely geared lower. The lowest gearing I've ever seen on anything before. And the thing about let me try and slow the red one down to match the Centram a little bit. There we go. So on the red tram, which I've shown before on this channel, it does not come with interior lighting. It does have the option to light the interior. It's a little bit more of a fidgety process than lighting a car, as far as a couple videos I've watched on doing so, but I might do so in the future. I love the low platform clearance on these things. They just look like they're just gliding on air. I'm sorry, that was out of focus. So let me bring this around. I'll take it off the track and show you what the trucks look like. Okay. So the trucks have the tiniest little drive wheels I've ever seen. They're about the diameter of the pilot wheels on a steam locomotive, maybe even, focus, maybe even a little smaller. But yeah, very elegant, beautiful little tram build. So on another note, I finished the foam putty work on the layout last night. Managed to get some sort of a incline crossing grade on this section of rerailer track, and I applied the foam and camouflaged the edges of the Unitram road plates. Something you don't see a lot of people doing. I just felt it looked a little too unfinished without just having those road plate edges exposed with the little slots they have on the bottom and stuff. So anyways, I plan on ballasting all this track this evening. Probably going to be up till around midnight doing so. And I plan on posting videos. My regular day off is Wednesday and weekend, so I'll probably be posting a video every Wednesday for now, and at least one video each following weekend, through working on the layout here. So thank you for catching up with me, and I will see you guys soon.